afternoon everyone, I'm Chris and today we're going to discuss about Region 4. Region 4 is a region in the Philippines with a rich and diverse cultural heritage. The culture and beliefs in Calabarzon reflect the combination of indigenous Filipino traditions, Spanish influence, and modern practices. Region 4 has 5 provinces, which is Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. And here's an overview of cultural highlights and beliefs of Calabarzon. First is in their festivals. Each province in Calabarzon has its own festival to celebrate its individual identity, culture, history, local products, and religion. These festivals not only serve as form of cultural expressions but also play a vital role in promoting local pride and tourism. Paro-Paro Festival in Cavite, held on November 26 in Dasmariñas. This festival showcases colorful butterfly-inspired costumes and street dancing, symbolizing transformation and hope. Longganisa Festival in Laguna, celebrated on January. The Longganisa Festival in town of Alaminos celebrates the town's popular longganisa or Filipino sausage industry. The festival features a longganisa making competition, cooking demonstrations, street parades, and other fun activities.
Nihat Festival on May, celebrated in Nasugbu. This festival honors the farmers and their hard work during the harvest season. It features street dancing, showcasing the agricultural products of town, including rice, corn, and other crops. The festival is a way of giving thanks for bountiful harvest. Gigantes Festival on November, held in Anguano. This is one of the most famous festivals in Rizal. It celebrates the feast of San Clemente, the town's patron saint. The Gigantes, or giant paper-mache figures, are paraded through the streets in colorful display. Our lasting festival is Pahiyas Festival on May, held in Lucban, Quezon. This is one of the most famous festivals in the Philippines. It honors San Isidro Labrador, the patron saint of the farmers.
Hi, my name is Panganiban Cuisines. Their dishes are reflecting to the rich agricultural resources and proximity to the sea. Many dishes also showcase the use of coconut, rice, and seafood, which are common ingredients Cavite. A pancit pusit, a type of noodle dish made with squid, soy sauce, and spices, typically served with a bit of blanc ink for added flavor. Laguna, Espanyol, a sweet rice cake made from rice flour, coconut milk, and sugar often rolled.
Lomi in Batangas, a thick noodle soup made with egg noodles, pork, chicken, and vegetables, often served with vinegar and soy sauce on the side. Puto Calasiao by Rizal, steamed rice cakes that are small and soft, often served with grated coconut or sugar. And Pancit Habab in Quezon, a noodle dish traditionally served on banana leaf, often with a mix of pork, vegetables, and shrimp.
My name is Reyes Campesino, tourist attraction in Calabarzon. Calabarzon is a region rich in natural beauty, historical landmarks, and cultural attractions. Here are some of the top tourist attractions in each province. Cavite, Corregidor Island, a historical site. This island was a key military stronghold during World War II. It's now a museum and and a place for historical tours. Laguna. Rizal Shrines, located in Calamba, this is the birthplace of Dr. Jose Rizal, the Philippine national hero, and features a museum showcasing his life and works. Batangas. Taal Volcano, the world's smallest active volcano, located in the middle of Taal Lake. Visitors can hike in the crater or take a boat tour.
Hi, I'm Lance, and our next destination is Rizal. Pinto Art Museum, located in Antipolo. This museum features a vast collection of contemporary art housed in beautiful Mediterranean-style buildings. And Quezon, Villa Escudero Plantation and Resort, a cultural and heritage park in Siaong where visitors can enjoy the experience of eating traditional Filipino food served in a beautiful setting surrounded by a scenic environment. Each province in Calabarzon offers something unique from historical landmarks to beautiful natural attractions, making it a great destination for a variety of travelers.